Hey there, window cleaning professionals and do-it-yourselfers. Let's talk squeegees. So what we've got here is 3 professional grade Steccone brand products provided by Treasure Valley Supply. Now first up, we've got the OG, the brass, the original. This guy is durable, long-lasting, looks awesome. Next up, we've got the stainless steel. Now this guy comes in at a little bit lighter than the brass, just as durable, just as long-lasting, also shiny. Now both of these Steccone products are awesome. But what I'm really excited to talk about is the Featherlight, the aircraft grade aluminum. Now I hear you say aluminum, but trust me, aircraft grade aluminum is just as strong as both of these guys here, just as durable. And this guy comes in weighing at about half as much as the brass. Now all these Steccone channels are awesome, but you put those with the Magi-Klip, the world's first single point quick release handle, you've got a winning combination. Now something I run into a lot is when you're on the ladder and you just can't quite reach that window, no problem, just slide the channel, handle locks, reach up, and you're good to go. Another thing that happens, if you get a nick in your rubber when you're up on the ladder, no problem, take the handle off, flip the rubber around, handle back on, and you're good to go. So again, Steccone products here, leaders in the industry, and you can pick these up at treasurevalleysupply.com.